Imagine being able to spot the next big market move before anyone else. It's a kind of signal that could save your portfolio or even grow it massively when the markets turn crazy. Sounds powerful, right? Well, that's exactly what we're rediving into today. The mystery behind gold signals in the stock market, and how they might just be the early warnings investors have been searching for. Gold signals. What are they and why should you care? In the unpredictable world of finance, there's this one precious metal that often takes center stage. Gold. It's not just some random choice. Gold has been dubbed the world's oldest currency. And through centuries of economic crashes, currency devaluations, and investor panics, it's proven to be a reliable safe haven. So imagine having a direct line to this safe haven, a way to tap into gold's wisdom to see what's coming next for the stock market. That's what we call a gold signal. But here's the catch. These signals aren't as clear as a crystal ball. They're more like whispers in the wind, subtle hints that only the most attentive investors can decipher. Today we're going to decode those whispers. We'll explore the historical gold signals, the patterns that have emerged over the years, and most importantly, what these signals are telling us about the market today. Why gold? Why not tech stocks, oil, or something else? The answer is simple. Gold has stood the test of time. It's like that old classic car you keep meaning to sell but just can't, because its value goes beyond the numbers. When economies crash, when currencies lose value, or when investors panic, they often flock to gold. It's their go-to safe haven. That's why tracking gold's behavior isn't just for those hardcore commodity traders. It's a must for anyone who's serious about navigating the ups and downs of the stock market. But what exactly is a gold signal and why should you care? A gold signal is basically when the price of gold starts acting weird. And no, I don't mean like gold going up one day and down the next. I mean more like gold shooting up really fast over a few days or weeks. This sudden action is a signal that investors are feeling uncertain about the economy. It's like if you were driving a car and suddenly the check engine light came on. You'd probably pull over to check what's going on. Same thing with gold. When the price suddenly moves a lot, it's telling us that something important is happening in the market. Let me give you some real-world examples. Back in 2008, remember the big financial crisis? Yeah, that one where almost everything went kaput? Well, before that happened, gold started acting strange. Its price started rising fast, signaling that investors were worried about the economy. And then boom, the crisis hit. Fast forward to 2020, the year of the global pandemic. Again, gold gave us a heads up. It started to rise before the market crashed, letting investors know that things were about to get bumpy. But here's the thing. Gold doesn't just tell us that something bad is about to happen. It also lets us know when it's time to be cautious. When gold is falling in price, it's like a yellow light. It's time to start paying attention and getting ready. Because let's face it, nobody wants to be caught off guard when the market takes a nosedive. So now the question is, what is gold telling us right now? Is it waving a red flag, signaling stormy days ahead, or giving us a green light for smooth sailing? Well, you'll have to watch till the end of this video to find out. As we navigate through the twists and turns of the market, it's essential to remember that gold isn't a crystal ball. It's more like a wise old owl, giving us hints and clues about what might happen next. By understanding these gold signals, by reading the whispers in the wind, we can make smarter decisions about when to hold on tight and when it is time to take a breather. In the next part of the video, we'll deep dive into the current market situation. What's going on with gold prices? Are we heading for calmer waters, or is a storm brewing on the horizon? Stay tuned because the insights you're about to discover could be the game changers for your investment journey. Do we forget to hit that like button? If you've learned something new, and consider sharing this video with your friends in the world of finance. Building a strong portfolio isn't just about luck. It's about preparation, knowledge, and a dash of wisdom. Thanks for watching.